Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with CPA marketing and ChatGPT. So first thing we need to do, we need to find CPA offers to promote. Now for this purpose, I am going to use Cpagrip, but you can use any other CPA affiliate network that you want, okay? So here for the country, I am going to use United States. I'm going to find offers in United States, and here for category, I am going to choose email and zip submit because those are the ones that are easiest to promote. And actually, I'm looking for free gift cards. For example, I need this one here, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to copy this link. This is my Cpagrip affiliate link, and I need to paste that in Notepad because I'm going to need that later, okay? So let me just close this, and I need to find 3 more CPA offers, and you will see in a minute why I need 4 offers for this method. And let's just say I will use this one here, and again I'm going to copy my Cpagrip affiliate link, paste it here, okay, and I'm going to close this, and I need to find, let's just say this one here as well, just copy this and paste it here, and again I need to find 1 more, and this is the offer, and okay, I'm going to copy paste that here. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go on Google, and here I need to search for how to save money, okay, and press enter, and I need to scroll here where it says people also ask, and I'm going to open and close few of these, okay, and here you can see now I have more questions that people are actually asking related to how to save money. So for example, here we can see what is the 30-day rule. So this is the question that people most often search related on how to save money, and that is exactly what we need because we are offering them a way to save money by using free gift cards. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this, and now I need to go on ChatGPT and I need to say to ChatGPT to write me an article about this, okay? Now I already have that prompt, I already made it, so we don't have to waste too much time, so I will simply press enter, and now ChatGPT will give me catchy title for this, because I need an article related to this, and now I need to tell it to write me an article, okay? And this is the prompt, so I will simply paste that here, press enter, and now ChatGPT will write me an article in English language, as you can see here, about 30-day rule. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to publish this article somewhere. You can publish this article wherever you want, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to publish this article on Google Sites. So I will simply copy this title here, okay? And I will go on Google Sites and I'm going to paste that here, okay? And I'm going to actually, this is not in white color, so let's just say I will choose to be white, okay, and to be bold, and to be, let's just say for example 24, and I will make this wider, okay, and I'm going to move this here, okay, move it here, and now it is on center. And you can also change the background image here in header if you want. If you don't want, no problem, it is better to add a header image. So now I need to go back here, okay, on ChatGPT. As you can see, they're actually finishing writing my article. So what I need to do, I simply need to highlight this. So let me just highlight this. Okay, I'm going to highlight everything here. Control C for copy. Go back here, double click here, click on this TT, and I'm going to paste that here. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to go back on ChatGPT and we need to tell it to write you a quiz, okay? And I already have a prompt, so let me just copy this and paste that here. Press enter, and now ChatGPT will create an HTML, it is really important, HTML quiz for us about 30 days saving rule, okay? And the reason why we need an HTML code, because we actually wish to embed this quiz, because otherwise we will have to make that quiz by ourselves, and that is actually not a good option. This is better option because ChatGPT will write this quiz for us. And also now you will see why we needed 4 CPA offers for this method. So let me just pause this video until ChatGPT finish writing this HTML code. Okay, ChatGPT finished writing this code, so what I need to do next, I need to click here on copy code. And I need to paste that code here in Notepad. So let me just paste that here. Okay, and now here where you see these websites here, we actually need to replace that with our Cpagrip affiliate links or Max Bounty, CPA Lead, CPA Build, or whatever CPA affiliate network you're using. So let me just scroll back here on top, and I'm going to copy this, and then I'm simply going back here and just move this slider here so you can see better, okay? And I'm going to replace this link with my own Cpagrip affiliate link. And I need to do for all 4 of these, okay? So I need to go back here and I need to copy and paste this one as well. So let me just go back here. And again, I will just move this slider, okay? And I'm going to replace this link here as well, okay? And same thing, like I said, we need to replace all 4 of these links. So let me just go back here and I'm going to finish this in a few seconds. So I will finish this, okay? And like I said, we need to replace all 4 links. So let me just go back here and I'm going to replace this, okay? Paste here. So now what we need to do, now we need to copy this entire code, HTML code. So let me just go back here, okay, Control C, and we need to go back here on Google Sites, and I will add that here on the bottom. So I will click here on embed code here, paste it here. When I click here on next, here you can see how this actually looks. That looks good. Click here on insert, and if you know HTML, you can change the font size, you can change the letter style and stuff like that. You can even add more questions if you want, okay? So let me just move this here, okay? And now when I click here on preview, I can see how this actually looks. And now when people vote on here, okay, and when they click here on submit, it will send them on different CPA offer that I'm actually promoting. One of these offers here. Now, I don't really know on which one of these. It doesn't really matter because that depends on what they actually vote here on this quiz. So now when you have your quiz, all you have to do is just need to start sending traffic to this page here. And for that, you can use related Facebook groups. You can use Twitter, Instagram, you can use Tumblr, you can use Reddit, you can use Pinterest. You can even rank this article here on first page on Google and start getting traffic, free traffic from Google as well. Promote it on related forums, promote it on related blogs, and so on, and just start driving as much traffic as you can to this article here, and people will scroll down on the bottom and they will vote on this quiz here and they will click submit, and they will be automatically redirected on one of your CPA offers that you're promoting. Some of those people will actually participate to get that free gift card, and you will earn $2.05 as we saw in this case. That may be different for your own offers and for your own CPA affiliate network. So this is how you make money with CPA marketing and ChatGPT. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.